very beginning. So if you never have been use the pool or miner before, so this is your chance. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, my entire screen. A lot. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is buy 2 servers. You need one server for pool, one server for miner. Okay, so you see I have 2 server here. So if you go to the Vultr, which costs you $5 per month for each small server, so you can start from there. If you have more users, of more friends to share with your VPN server, so you can buy a bigger one, or accordingly to the location where you are, you can buy different server. Okay, right now we're gonna start from American miner first. Okay, sorry, the pool first. The first thing we're going to do is remote in. Okay, we copy the ID. We copy the ID, and we're going to SSH the username at the IP address. So we're going to remote in. Tell you, do you want to confirm? Yes, and we copy the password. Okay, we copy the password, paste. All right, we are in. So right now, we're going to follow our tutorial from here. Okay. First thing, we're going to, increase the font size so you guys easier to see. The first thing, we're going to create a folder called the pool. Okay, and we are enter the pool. Now we're going to download the miner. So this server is x86 structure, so we don't need the ARM. So when you download AMD 64, which means x86 structure. Okay, we're going to download it. Okay, already did. But you see the name is different. So we're going to change the name. Okay, you can do move the name to a new name, just pool. Okay, so right now the change. But right, since you just download, so your server probably not going to allow you to run this this pool. So what are you gonna do? You give the permission to run the pool. Just change the mode and give the running permission for your user, for this your current user. Okay, so you can check again. This right now green color with our pool. Okay, cool. Now we're going to do is download the BAS. Okay, because BAS is our HOP protocol, support of HOP protocol. So we need to download this BAS. So we download the BAS. And the same, we change the name. MV is move, which you can change the name. BAS, AND64, just BAS. Small BAS, it's okay. Capital letter, okay. And the same, we give the permission for BAS to run. So right now you can see the 2 files can be run in our system right now under the root username. Okay, wait, let's start our BAS. So let's start this BAS in our background, and to verify its start, use PS to check your BAS. It's starting now. It's running. Cool. Some people may some server may have issue, like if you are in your someone mute me again. Right now should be okay. Okay, let's come back. because we are running a BAS now. So sometimes you may find the BAS use some certain port. How to find a certain port? You can use the a tool. Hold on, come back. You can use a tool. Let's go to very bottom. Uh, Net status to check your port, which port is under use. So check BAS to see which one to use. Oh, I have to install the tool. Sorry, let me install the tool first. Yeah, so 1 second. It's gonna be very quick. So the reason we're checking this port is sometimes your firewall block your port, and you cannot run the BAS. So let's sorry, whoever here, don't touch my name, and you keep muting me. Moving some token into our wallet, the pool wallet. So if you do pool ETH balance dash D. Dash D means we use rope stain test network. So for all the commands right now from this tutorial, we're gonna use dash D. Okay. So tell me I have 0 HOP token, 0 ETH. So okay, how we do? So for ETH, pretty simple. We going to copy our wallet address. Where is our wallet address? This one. Okay, start end with F00C. If you're not sure, so you can do is let me see, show address, pool show address, I guess. Okay, that's right. So this is your pool wallet address, and this is your pool identification ID. Doesn't matter. So right now here we need this pool address. We copy it, we go to the faucet. Okay, the faucet you can use a different one. I use this faucet dimension.network. So you put your address and click I am human. Okay, let you what is train. This is train. Next. Contain a chain. Okay, that's not. Is this a train? Yes. This one? No. I guess that's it. The faucet query too long. Please try again later. What? Okay, let me refresh. Try it again. Train. I guess this is train. Yes. More coming. Verify. Send the rope stand token. It's so difficult. What's happening? Bicycle. Bicycle. Okay, that's too much people request the token, so maybe we have to go to another one. Let's find another one. Where you are. Another way to do is go to Google and search rope stain faucet. Okay. The first one, the second one, let's see, this one. Let's check. Send me some test. Hopefully we can get it soon. And this one you ask for things I don't have. So let's wait here to see if I got something. So to find if you got some rope stem, check your address to see if you got something token. It's not yet. Anyway, this is not easy, huh? Mask request one for faucet. Not working. So try this one more time. Just bear with me, okay? It's the difficulty of getting your test Ethereum token. Okay, it's too long. We have to wait. This is okay. So if you cannot wait, because we are doing this, we cannot wait. We're going to transfer some token from our own. We have 0.2. I don't think it's enough. Let's try. We sent 0.1. See if it's working. Maybe you need more. So we have a 0.2. I think it should be enough. Just make sure. Refresh our Ethereum scheme. We got 0.1. Sounds good. Let's check again. See if we can use 0.1 to register the token, register the pool. Okay, should be enough. Now we're gonna show address again. Show balance. Right now we have a 0.1 ETH, and we need more for HOP. For this step, you can send your email. Okay, send your email here. I'm typing it. Public chat. Here you can send email. Send the email with your rope stem address to cs@hop chain.org to get test HOP tokens. Okay, so make sure you can do this. Now, since I have enough token, so we're going to do is send from my wallet address to our new pool. So we're gonna send 1,000 token to there. Okay, it should be very quick because this testnet kind of like a few seconds you can find it. 1 minute ago. Still pending. Give a few seconds. Usually finish in 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Looks like a finish. This is our token. Okay. So we come back. So we're going to check again how much balance we have. Okay, we have a 1,000 HOP token. Now we have enough to register our pool. Okay, you need at least 300 HOP token and minimize, I think, 0.2 or 0.1 ETH. Okay, let's try, see 0.1 is enough or not. We copy and paste. So right now, because our pool right now is recognized by HOP, but we need to put the token into our pool and make sure you have enough deposit which minimum is 300. Okay, so we're gonna paste. Make sure you have a 300 minimum HOP. Let's try it. Password 123. All right, register successfully, and check how much token we left. We have 0.099 ETH, and we put our 300 token into our contract. Okay, so now you can use your application, either use a Pirate or Pirate your desktop to make sure your pool is in your market. So I'm open now. This is Windows application Pirate. Show all the pool in market. What's the name of our pool? US Jersey, no? It's not here. But let me check my phone application. Bear with me. I'm gonna open my phone application. Yep. And refreshing it. Okay, I can see from my phone application now, but not from here. This take a while to freshen. Let's open here. Let's do something. Maybe it will recognize US Jersey, US Jersey. This is slower than the phone. Let's refresh. Refresh. But anyway, it's not here, but in our phone. If you have your Pirate phone, your Pirate application in your phone, you can check your pool. Okay, I can see my US Jersey pool up running already. Okay. Now we come back to our tutorial. So following it, okay. This is example. You will see your USLA drawing somewhere here. Okay. So right now I can see from my phone, so I cannot show you. You can buy the token. And right now, another thing, if your server is in cloud, it's not very sensitive data. You should stop your firewall. Sometimes firewall block your service. So let me stop my firewall. You don't have to, but just easier to have the firewall stopped. It's not load, means we don't have firewall. Okay, we don't have firewall. It's okay. Right now we're gonna start the pool. Okay, no hub is running from background, so we're going to start a pool. Our password 123, and we're going to put the log into pool.log file. So later, if you have a problem, you can find your log file from pool.log. Okay. Running, make sure it's running successfully. So you use the ps command. So we're going to run the ps. Okay, our pool is running. Good, good, good. Now, for people use the home network, if you have a static IP in your home, okay, make sure all the ports are open. Use net status command. So they use 42998, 42021. So make sure open all of them. Okay. All right. So next step, we're going to install the miner into new server. Here, I'm suggest separate your pool and your miner. Okay, it's just easier for pool and miner communicate each other. So you need a minimum 2 server if you want to run your pool yourself. But if you have friends, you already have pool, or you just want to run miner, you just create a miner, send your identification ID, and send to the pool user. He will add your miner into his pool, okay, or her pool. So come back to our server. So we come back and we have the New Jersey miner. Okay, New Jersey miner here. So we're going to start a new Ubuntu command line. So we're going to SSH the new miner. So username root add to the IP address. So yes, the password we copy it and paste. Now we're in. Okay, the first thing simple, follow the tutorial. So make a new folder. So mkdir hop and we create the HOP folder. Then we enter the HOP. So download the miner. Okay, use the wget. We got already. So right now we're going to change the name. Okay. Here I didn't say change name, but I better change the name. Easier for you use the comment later. Otherwise, you have all the underscore AND 64 is not very convenient. Change the name to HOP. Okay, name change. See here. So right now we give the file permission to run. Give permission. Okay, right now it's green color. We can run this file now. Simple. Initiate first. Okay. Copy the initiate. You can use the -p to create the password right away, or you can use only initiate and you type a password there. We use 321, password 321. Okay, your miner initiate already. So now we're gonna check the configuration file. Okay, so this vi command, check the hidden configuration file. Make sure your BAS is right. Okay, your API is right, your payment service, your token, so it should be your follow here. Make sure all right. And the port is you can use your website to check, your miner status. Right now we don't with this session we're not going to talk about it. So next time we will. If you guys need, we can talk more. So hit the colon and the Q and quit. Okay. Now we're gonna register our BAS, the miner address into our BAS network. So make sure you change your name. Okay, you change your name. So this is US Jersey, New Jersey NJ 1. Okay, first one. And your IP address. You can find from the website here and end with 71. And the password -p with the password to register your miner into our network. Let the entire HOP protocol know you have a miner in this network. Okay, we are good now. So we use this IP address. Second one, we're going to show that IP show the address. Okay, so dash HOP show address. The most important one is second one, start with HO. Okay, this is our ID for this miner. You're going to copy this ID, come back to our pool. This is our pool. Okay, the pool right now is running right now. It's running right now. So if don't not sure, just PS command to check it's running. No, sorry, pool. So it's running. So we're gonna join the miner into the pool. So we use this command. Okay. Make sure replace the ID. Okay, the ID is not correct. So we're gonna use our own ID. Come back to your miner. Remember, we use show address to show your ID. The ID start with HO. So this command line is miner. So copy the ID from the miner, come back to pool. Here, this is pool. We paste the ID here. Okay. So you ETH join dash D means the rope stand network test network password, your string of the miner you're going to join, and dash T is how much token you to deposit. The minimum is 30, so make sure you put 30 here. Okay. Right now we are joining the miner. It might take 10 to 15 seconds because this test net is kind of fast. Okay. Okay, approved. So to make sure you have the miner join, you can use show. Let me see. Let's see show. Okay, show all miner. All miner. Okay, we have a miner here. This is our miner we just registered. The name USNJ1 IP address. Okay, or the payment, whatever, all the detailed information. Now you come back. Okay, now you come back to your pool. Okay, come back to your pool and run in your pool. So copy the running pool command and come back to your come back to your miner. Running the miner. So we are in miner command line already. We paste the command running the miner. Okay, so no hub. Make sure it's running background and the password, and we put the log hop.log. If something wrong happen, you can check the file to make sure what's the issue, and you can debugging it. Hit enter. The miner is working now. So make sure it's working. Use PS command. Check HOP is running. Yep, it's running now. So if you have anyone right now have the, let me quit. So we're gonna restart our Pirate. Make sure it's updated. I would like to see here because you guys can find. Okay, here you go. New US Jersey. We see here already. So just wait create a new. This is the one we just created with buy token. Just buy 10 token and buy it. Password. Just wait a little bit. So right now it's one token to one, gigabytes. So let's make sure. Click at the pool. USLA is pool. I think I bought already. Maybe take seconds to run. Let's buy it again. Yeah, I think it's working now. So it's running right now to buy the token. Look again. Refresh. Okay, refresh it. You can find the US Jersey. Okay, and find the miner. This is our miner. I ping it. It's working. Okay. Before that, we're going to show you my IP address. No. Okay. The miner IP is ended with 71. That's right. Okay. So right now we're going to start this VPN. Okay, so we're going to start to make sure our IP address changed. Okay, just show my IP. You guys still hear me? I guess so. Give me 1 second. Okay, I might lost connection because I use the miner now. Let me check. If you have, I'm afraid if I use a VPN, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit from the our recording. So I'm gonna use my cell phone. Okay, if anyone has the Pirate install your phone, please use it and buy some traffic from the US Jersey pool. My IP, my IP. This is my IP now. So if I enable, we're going to connect. Before started and refresh. I guess something wrong with. You know what? We're gonna use incognito private one.
Why your server is not live? We only have US LA.
Can you refresh? I see US Jersey already. Hey, Miguel.
Yes, way.
I see US Jersey already, and I also bought
Oh
10
yeah,
gigabyte
Just
balance.
saw it. Just saw it.
Okay, you might have to refresh it. Okay, can you try to help me to see it's running? You should have one miner there.
Yeah. Let me check.
So as long as you connect to the VPN and use my IP search Google. Okay, my one successful. My phone right now connect to the US Jersey miner. So right now I can use it to watch Netflix, YouTube, or something different service. If you want to use like a banking, you American some would then block from the IP address. Okay. I have an issue last time. So when I want to pay some utility like a water or electricity bill in America, I cannot do it because their website only allow American IP to enter. So if you have different IP, you can go, treat as the same country you are using, and they will not block you. So that's kind of convenience. Okay, I think today we are end up here. So our server miner, everything is running, and the US, Jersey is running. I'm going to take down the server because this server is just the temporary. Okay, so I'm going to do. So why not finish it? Give me a few minutes. Let's bring down the server. Okay, and unredress the server. So the first thing, we're going to do the kill your miner. 35522. This is thread number. So it's kill the miner already. Okay. And come back to your pool. You're going to enjoy ETH enjoy the miner. So dash D is test network, dash P password, dash S is the identification of the miner, which is here, start with HO. So we're going to unjoin the miner. Okay, successful. Okay, so right now we're going to queue the pool. Sorry, we have to make sure pool thread ID, which is 26419. Yes, we're going to queue the pool. Make sure it's queuing. Okay, it's queued. Now we're going to unregistration this pool. So dash D dash P password 123. Right now we bring down the pool from our application. Okay.
What?
So we are unregistered. So right now you can check how much balance you have. So you have none in your contract. You have a 1,000 HOP token. So okay, your pool already done. So if you refresh again from the market, the pool should be gone. Okay. Refresh a few more times. Might take a while. Stop sharing. And anyone have a question right now?
In the chat, in the chat.
In the shared notes. In the public chat. Okay. So Leonardo, why I cannot use the pool and miner in the same server? Hey Leonardo. The reason is I think they needed two different IP addresses communicate with each other. Otherwise, it's gonna confuse each other. The miner and the pool. We tested because you are technically under the same internal network environment, so they are not working so well. So it's better you have two IP addresses. Okay, and also give less work for the pool. If you put the miner in the same place, when the miner take a lot of traffic, may block your pool. Okay, so the better is that separate. Sometimes otherwise your pool will have something funky, funky things. Maybe you cannot find the pool. Sometimes you lost the traffic. The best is just separate them, and I'll recommend is separate them. Okay. Any more question for people who are going to create a pool? Please, follow the steps of our docs.hopchain.org. And if you cannot take some, because we have trouble earlier, we cannot take some test token. Okay. So you better find something, or be a patient. Be a patient. Just go to the some faucet to find your ETH token. It may take a couple minutes or take a while. Okay, sometimes they have a lot of people request the token, so you may wait for a while. All right, Miguel, I think today the season I'm gonna finish it here, and it's not too early.
Yeah, thank you for your time, Wei.
Yeah, thank you for you to hosting this. we're gonna set up a next season if more people to come join us.
Yeah.
Okay. But anyway, have a good
Okay.
day and have a good night. See you guys.
See you.
Miguel, do you recording? How can I find the recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
So it's a recording file will be sent in your place or my local computer.
It's gonna be hosted on my room.
Can you send the recording file to me?
I can. I
All right.
also have of the other session I can share with you.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.